just try and talk loud enough to be heard on the camera, not really to be overheard by anybody else. Let's see now, we are 17 minutes in now. Yeah. I could cut it off there now, see, but I hate to cut it off and I'm sure they're finished. Now, last year I think it was much more than 15 minutes. It's just like, I think there's much more than 17 minutes there with the culverts there on the lakefront last year. I don't know if I was down by the harbour front enough, I get a bit of view. I don't know if I walked over by the park area over there. I got a bit of view. Might have. I don't remember so many buildings in the way. I just lost my motivation to traipsing out again, guys, after waste of time down on the lake there. I don't know where this is to. Right here, guys, between these buildings here. Oh, I'm pointing the right spot there. I don't know if that's out Mount Pearl. They're pretty damn good what we're putting up there. Whoever's putting it off. And see the brewery is the building over here, guys. This page. They were opened up last year. There's something on the go there. New Year's last year. There's a doornail over there this time. Close to it now, guys, I'm not sure. 21 minutes in. So I was up on the hill there right now, guys. Spot that I was thinking about going to. We're halfway up. I think I'd be half rose in about half an hour's time. I need to try to get up there probably with 10 or 15 minutes to spare to make sure I get up there in time. And just then ran up there for 10 or 15, 20 minutes or so. It's a lot colder up there than it is down here. Especially at night. even though the views are stunning. Yeah, I'm thinking just about the main part of that there done now, guys. Okay. 23. So I'm going to go 24, 25 minutes. Cut off on probably 24 minutes there, I guess, guys. So very quickly starting to get cold, isn't it? And that bundled up quite as warm as it was when I was beating it around earlier. Right. 24, 40, should go to 45. Alright guys, which way should I turn? Can you see me this way? That's it then guys, take care, God bless. Maybe my last video for the night now guys, on that one if it's too short. I'm going to bush way turn for you to see me, there is no way. Okay, take care guys, God bless, and for now, bye bye.